Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at what I have here. This is going to be a battery bag. So if you have a Lithium Pro different battery, I guess you get to have this bag to carry it around in. So this is a Lipo battery bag, it says. So if you need to carry around the battery, this is going to be a good bag for you. It gives you the very high visibility reflecto thing, so it looks like you're definitely authorized to have it. And we have, because if you're putting in a battery in here, it's going to be heavy. So we have here a shoulder strap for it as well. Put that on here. And here we go like that. So we can use it for that. This actually kind of almost looks like a lunchbox. But here we go. So we have the pack to wear like that. It's good. Let's see how the zipper works on it here. Oh, nice, easy. Wow, good. It goes around all the corners. Even the first time works good. So we can close it all up. We have the little opening here, I guess, where you can run cables and whatnot out of it. So this looks like it's going to be a good, useful bag. It has a handle up top with a nice rubber feel to it. So if you're carrying stuff you need to keep definitely secure on here with the Lipo bag, the battery bag, this will be good. So this is the extra large size, by the way. Very nice.